Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you're looking for ways to get fortified and pumped up, with your skin that is, I have got this amazing serum to show you. It does so much for you. You need to use this every single day, and I'll show you why. This Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is amazing. It's great for strengthening your skin, gives it a healthy glow and an anti-wrinkle effect. It absorbs quickly as it's lightweight and non-sticky. And I love the fact that it is great for sensitive skin. I use it as step one of my daily hydrating routine. I just love it. If you're looking for that extra hydration, the extra fortification, and that extra little feeling of getting pumped up in your skin, this is what you need. You're going to love it just as much as I did, and that's my point of view.